Are you still using toilet paper alone? It's time to upgrade your bathroom game. Today, we're breaking down the best electric bidet seats of the year. Tested, ranked, and reviewed so you don't have to guess. Whether you want a heated seat, a warm water wash, or a self-cleaning nozzle, we've got you covered. Stay with us. Your backside will thank you later. Let's dive in. What if your bidet seat handled most of its own hygiene work without you ever pressing a button? That is exactly how the Toto Washlet Plus S7A is designed to operate, and it is what separates it from every other seat on this list.
E-Water Plus is the technology at the center of that automation. Toto electrolyzes the water supply to give it mild antimicrobial properties, then deploys it automatically. The bowl is misted before each use and again after periods of vacancy throughout the day. The wand receives an E-Water Plus rinse before and after every individual wash cycle. None of this requires user input. It simply runs in the background from the moment the seat is installed. The seamless seat body addresses a maintenance problem most bidet owners quietly accept. Conventional seats have a joint line where the seat meets the main unit, a gap that collects moisture, hair, and debris and demands deliberate scrubbing. Toto eliminates that gap entirely, reducing surface cleaning to a straightforward wipe down. The telescoping nozzle extends further than most competing designs, improving reach for front wash coverage in particular. 5 wash modes, 5 pressure levels, and 5 temperature settings give precise control, while the 4-user memory remote stores preferences for the whole household. A proximity sensor handles the lid automatically.
At just 4.1 inches at the rear, the S7A is the slimmest flagship seat currently available. Combined with a 3-year warranty, it is the right choice for homeowners who want Toto's most automated, lowest-profile flagship.
What separates a truly flagship bidet seat from one that simply carries the label? For the Alpha Bidet UX Pearl, it comes down to the kind of engineering decisions that actually change your daily experience, starting with a tankless ceramic core heater that produces warm water continuously on demand. No stored reservoir means no cold cutoff mid-wash, regardless of how long the cycle runs. The stainless steel nozzle takes an arced shape rather than a straight one, a deliberate design choice that reduces splashback while extending positioning reach for both rear and front wash modes. Small geometry, meaningful difference.
Odor elimination works through photocatalytic technology, using a light-triggered reaction to neutralize odors rather than absorb them. There's no cartridge to replace and no element that wears down with use. Between sessions, the Pure Breeze function mists the bowl interior with treated water, actively discouraging bacterial buildup on the porcelain before it starts. The lid supports up to 320 pounds, the highest sittable weight rating available in this category. An ambient light sensor reads the room and adjusts the LED nightlight automatically, so you never fumble for a switch in the dark. 2 programmable user presets store individual preferences for everyone in the household, and the 4.5 inches rear seat profile keeps the fit low and natural on the bowl. A 3-year parts and labor warranty backs it all. For homeowners who want a fully loaded flagship with real independent recognition, the UX Pearl is the clear starting point. What happens when one of the most buyer-tested electric bidet seats on Amazon also happens to be the lowest-priced option on this list? You get the Bidet BB2000 Bliss, a seat with one of the highest verified review volumes in its category, meaning real-world performance has been stress-tested by more buyers than most competitors at any price.
The tankless water heating system delivers unlimited warm water for the full wash cycle, a meaningful step above the tank-type heaters common at this price bracket that run cold once their stored volume runs out. The adjustable stainless steel nozzle covers 5 wash modes: rear, front, vortex,
pulsating, and oscillating. The full range of daily preferences handled by a single nozzle that shifts position to fit different body types. 2 wireless remotes ship in every box, one black, one white, so placement works with your bathroom layout from day one, and a misplaced remote never becomes an emergency. Heated seat, warm air dryer, automatic air deodorizer, built-in nightlight, and soft close lid are all included as standard. Installation requires no professional plumbing. US-based customer support through Bidet by Bemis is available when you need it. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the BB2000 is the right first electric bidet seat for buyers who want tankless heating and stainless steel nozzle quality without paying flagship prices. Why settle for a single nozzle that splits duty between 2 functions when a dedicated design exists at the same price? The Brondell S1400 answers that question directly with 2 completely separate stainless steel nozzles, one assigned exclusively to rear wash and one to front wash. Full stop. That separation matters for 2 reasons. First, stainless steel resists mineral buildup and bacterial adhesion far more effectively than plastic over years of daily use. Second, eliminating the shared contact point between rear and front functions reduces cross-contamination risk between wash modes, something a position-shifting single nozzle simply cannot do. The Nozzle Clean Plus nanotechnology surface treatment on both nozzles adds another antimicrobial layer between cycles.
Where the S1400 really distinguishes itself is adjustability. Water temperature, pressure, nozzle position, spray width, oscillation speed, and dryer temperature are each independently tunable across 4 to 5 levels. That is not 1 or 2 settings with a few steps between them. It is granular per-function control across the full wash experience, broader than most competing seats at this price point.
A replaceable activated carbon deodorizer handles odors at the bowl without fragrance masking. 2 user memory presets store individual preferences, and a blue LED nightlight handles low-light navigation. The sittable lid is rated to 270 pounds. Backed by a 3-year warranty from a manufacturer with over 2 decades in the bidet category, the S1400 delivers dual nozzle hygiene and maximum adjustability at a mid-range price. If you owned the Toto's C5 and occasionally hit that moment when warm water turned cold mid-wash, the S5 was built with exactly that frustration in mind. Toto's updated mid-range seat replaces the C5's tank-type heater, which stored a fixed volume of warm water and dropped to cold once it ran out, with the same tankless, instantaneous heating system used in the flagship S7A. Warm water now runs for the full duration of every cycle, regardless of length. The second major C5 complaint was preset capacity. 2 stored profiles works for a couple, but falls short in a household of 3 or 4. The S5 doubles that count to 4 independent presets, each storing a complete combination of wash temperature, pressure, and nozzle position, all accessible directly from the wireless remote. Every regular user in the home gets their own settings without adjusting anything manually. Beyond those 2 headline upgrades, the S trims 19% off the C5's physical profile, visibly slimmer on the ball, and reduces energy consumption by up to 38% according to Toto's own figures. Pre-mist pre-wets the bowl before each use. E-Water Plus automatically cleans the wand before and after every wash cycle. 5 wash modes include oscillation and pulsating options, and a heated seat, warm air dryer, deodorizer, and nightlight round out the feature set. For C5 owners ready to upgrade, or larger households who each want stored preferences, the S5 closes both gaps cleanly. 1-year warranty included. And that's our full roundup of the best electric bidet seats of the year. Whether you go budget or luxury, one thing's certain, you won't go back to toilet paper alone.
If this video helped you decide, smash that like button and subscribe for more reviews. Drop your questions in the comments below. We read every single one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.